Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be using this palette right here. We'll be making this red look. I do have an extra one here, so if you are interested in winning one, I have the information down below in the description and you can enter for a chance to win this palette right here. I do work with this company, so I also have a discount code for you, so I will list that on the screen if you would like to try out some of their eyeshadow palettes or some of their other products. This is what the inside of this palette looks like. Right here, very pretty, lots of red. And let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, to start off this look, we are going to prime. We are going to prime with Touch and Soul Glossy Skin Balm. And for eye primer, we are going to use Morphe. This is what it looks like.
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Okay, so now we are going to use some concealer. This is Self Beauty right here. And I'm just going to use a little bit under the eyes, a little bit here and a little bit here, because I'm just trying to lighten it up a little bit.
If you could read my mind, will you make your ways towards mine? And if you could read my mind.
Alright, for foundation we are using Fenty Beauty. This is Pro Filter in Soft Matte. This is shade 150.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel.
Okay, so now we are moving on to eyebrows. We are using the Cream Shop Holy Brow. This is what it looks like right here.
Your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on.
Alright, so we got the eyebrows down, and now we are moving to the shadow in this palette right here. I'm going to try to keep it simple. So I think I am going to start out with this color right here.
And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine?
We're gonna go right into this red right here. Now we're going to go over the eyelid itself with this red right here.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing.
We're going to take a little bit of this one right here and put it in the inner corner of the eye.
From the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel far.
Now we're going to take this red and cover the other half of the eyelid.
Say that I want you, you know that I want you.
Alright, so for under the eye, we are going to use this color in the inner part, and then this one, the shiny one, yeah, this one right here on the outer part.
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me.
Okay, so we're going to take some of this glitter right here and just dab it on the outer part of the eye. We're not going to put it on the lower part, just a little bit here to make it a little sparkly.
Wait on a moment to say that I want you, you know that I want you.
Okay, shadow is done. We're going to line the waterline with Marc Jacobs here. This is Fine Wine. It's not focusing. Here we go.
And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine?
Okay, so we're going to line the top of the eyes now. We are using Luna liner from Seraphim. This is what it looks like right here.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way.
For mascara, we are using Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions, and we're going to use that on both the top and the bottom lashes.
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing.
Alright, we got the eyes done. We are moving on to blush. I'm using Trifle Cosmetics. This is Cheek Parfait. This is a cream product, and I'm just going to dab that onto my cheek.
Further away, wait on a moment to say that I want you, you know that I want you.
Okay, so for highlight, we're going to use L'Oreal Cosmetics. This right here, this is also a cream product, and we are going to just go right along here and a little bit here and right here.
If you could read my mind, will you cross this room tonight?
Alright, for lips, we are going to use a lip stain. This is Rom and ND in shade Fig, and and that is the stain itself. And then we're going to go over top of that with a lip oil. This is from Cab. This is in shade Rum Punch.
It started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way.
Alright, there is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Don't forget, there is a code here if you want to stock up on some of their products, and there is the information down below in the description if you are interested in winning the palette. Otherwise, that is it of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.
I caught your sudden gaze, and time is starting.